Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to use MongoDB Aggregation Stages match and group with Python. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my code. First I am going to create a Python virtual environment. Click View, Command Palette, Python Create Environment, Virtual Environment. I am going to use Python 3.12.1. The environment is getting created. The environment has been successfully created. Now we need to install pymongo driver.env and the certify. Let's do that. New terminal, python -m pip install pymongo. We have successfully installed DNS Python as well as the pymongo. Now let us install the .env. We have successfully installed that as well. Now let's install the certify. We have successfully installed that as well. Now I am going to create a .env file where I am going to add my connection string. I am going to call the environment variable as MongoDB URI. Here I am going to add the connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. We are going to connect from the application, so click drivers. Python is already selected and already we have installed the pymongo driver. So copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. Now I am going to add my application code, aggregate.py. First I am going to import OS, then I am going to import certify, then I am going to import prettyprint. Okay, then from pymongo I am going to import mongo client, then from .env I'm going to import load.env. First let's load the environment variable. Now let's get the certificate path from certify. Okay, so now let's get the connection string. Get env, and then we need to pass the environment variable name MongoDB _URI. Okay, so now let's create the client, Mongo client. So we need to pass the Mongo URI as well as the TLS CA file equal to CA. Okay, so now we have created the client. So we are going to perform the aggregation against the students collection, which is part of the university DB. So let's first add that client.university. Okay, then students equal to univdb.students. Okay, so now we are going to create an aggregation pipeline with both match and the group stages. So let's create the query for that. Okay, so I am going to add the match query now. Match query. We need to give them stage name, and then we are going to add the query grade, then A. Okay, so this is all good. Now I'm going to add the group query. Okay, so that again within quotes we need to call group. Then I need to specify the ID field. Okay, so I'm going to use gender as ID field. Okay, then comma. Okay, so here we need to pass the dollar symbol before the gender. Okay, and then I'm going to get the count. Okay, so and again I'm going to use the count operator. Okay, we are good with the group query as well, right? So next we need to create the pipeline. So the pipeline will have both query as well as the group query. Okay, so we want to print the result, so I'm going to get that in a result variable dot aggregate. Then we are going to pass the pipeline. Okay, all good. So now we wanted to print the results. Okay, so what we are going to do is for item in result, okay, we are going to pretty print the item. Okay, good. Then we are going to close the client connection. Okay, it's all good. I'm going to save the changes. Now I'm going to execute the program. Okay, Python cricket.py. Okay, so the program has been successfully executed, and we could see, as expected, we were looking for the count of the male students who has grade A as well as the count of the female students who has the grade A. So we were able to get that count. In this demo, we have seen how to create MongoDB aggregation pipeline with match and the group stages in Python. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.